What's up, Hedera Hashgraph Holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about Hedera Hashgraph. What's going on in Hedera Hashgraph? What's the prices? What's the previous changes in Hedera Hashgraph? In this video, I will show you, my friends. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button. Also, like this video, my friends. In this video, you know what's today? The whole cryptocurrencies market is going down today, my friends. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week prices, whole coin. Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, VeChain, Shiba, these all coin pricing is negative. So if this pricing is negative, that's mean that you are in the loss. So how you can save yourself from loss? In this video, I will show you, my friends. Just watch this video, my friends. And also, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel. If you subscribe my channel, so you will get the latest update about Hedera Hashgraph. 0.174894 USD dollar is the currently latest price of Hedera Hashgraph in the market. Furthermore, my friends, other side, you can see here the price changes. The price change is completely in the lows. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, these whole changes is a negative. So if these changes is a negative, so this means that we are on the lows. My friends, don't do this mistake and don't decide to sell. That is the big mistake of all holders, because you will get a very high loss if you decide to sell on this time, my friends. That is the last 1 week price chart of this Hedera Hashgraph, and from this chart, let's clear that the Hedera Hashgraph price is going down. Price is going down. The pricing is negative 16.33%. So what should we do in this critical situation, and how we can save yourself from loss? There's only one way, my friends. Hold. Holding is the only way to save yourself from loss. I recommend my advice for all of you is that please hold it, don't decide to sell. Otherwise, if you decide to sell, so you are completely in the loss, because from the last 1 month, the pricing of Hedera Hashgraph is negative. So if this pricing is negative, so we are in the loss. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.